In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project in CostMiner. This is an essential skill if you're looking to streamline your construction project management with efficient estimating and takeoff tools. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the CostMiner website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the Login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to get started. If you're new to CostMiner, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here you'll see various options, but for today, we're focused on starting a new project. Look for a button labeled New and click on it. This will prompt you to begin setting up your project from scratch. The next step is to give your project a name. Think of something descriptive that captures the essence of what the project is about. This will make it easier to recognize and manage later on. Enter the name in the space provided. Remember, clarity is key here. After you've named your project, you have the opportunity to add a project description. While this step is optional, it's a good idea to provide some context or additional details about the project. This can be incredibly useful if you're collaborating with others who might appreciate a bit more background information. Now it's time to choose a template. CostMiner offers a couple of options, such as a renovation template and a single story template. Selecting a template can give you a structured starting point for your project specifications. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll go with the single story template. Simply click on it to apply it to your project. Next, if you'd like to add customer details, you can do so by clicking on the Customer button. Enter the required information to keep all client-related data organized and accessible within your project file. Similarly, you can provide the site address by clicking on Site Address. This ensures all logistical details are readily available. Another important aspect of project setup is dealing with estimates and progress claims. Although optional, it's recommended that you fill these fields out if you have the corresponding information. Accurate estimates help ensure that your project stays on budget and on track. Additionally, you can set markup percentages. Again, this step is optional, but if you have specific markup information, entering it here can assist with pricing and profitability projections. Finally, when you've entered all necessary data and are satisfied with your setup, click on Create. This final step will officially set up your project within CostMiner, and you're ready to move forward with more detailed project management tasks. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a project in CostMiner. This streamlined process will help keep all your project details well organized, facilitating easier management and execution. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your use of CostMiner and other tools.